for 30 times. Okay, 30 rounds you have to take it. Hold the glass and make the pyramid. Are you all with me? Yes, everyone. Circle. Yes, I'll just show you. This is how you have to make, but I'll give you a clue. It is 5 4 3 2 1. Okay, so you can take the count of the glasses if you need. Alright, so this is one circle. Starting from here, this is 1, okay? 2, 3. And this way you have to make 30 circles and then hold the glass, make the pyramid. Whoever makes the pyramid within the time limit, whichever I am calculating over here, will get the prize. Now, are you all with me? Okay, who will go first? You will go, who will go? Okay, let's do height wise. You all can stand in height. Okay? You all can stand in height wise. I will tell you whether you have to start from the shorter or the taller. I will tell you that. Okay? Stand in line, height wise. Okay. Okay. Who wants to go first? Shortest. All right. Let's go with you. Yeah, he is very ready. Yeah, come forward. Tallest. Let's start from the other side. Okay, stand there. Exactly 30 counts. You have to take the circle, hold the glass later on, then make the pyramid. Okay? Yes? Okay, go forward.
Says you want parties, so can we make these flames go higher? Talking about hey now, like go on. Talking more fina, talking more fina. Start by dropping, so jumping. Go together. Let's go crazy, big parties. I tell you, life don't get no better.
25. I've given 25. Can you all make some noise for him? Round of applause. Okay, thank you. Be there. Next. 25. Because he was about to fall, so it will be then. The complaint will be on me, so that's the reason I stopped for 25. Okay, so all have to follow 25 counts. Okay, yeah. So here we go. right, yes, thank you so much. First person took 30 seconds and the second one with 23, but both made a mistake. All right, and then we have the next person. All set? Okay, are you ready? Yes, come forward. Time starts now. Yeah. Alright, 23 seconds. Okay, next. Two more we have. And the winner is, what's your name? Michelle. Okay. All right. And but there is advantage for all four of them because they did it really fast as soon as possible, the circles. But I gave the time because I don't wanted to take the risk in case you fell down, right? Yeah, that's the reason I told you guys to go slowly. And still, let's give Rachel, Michelle. Round of applause to Michelle. Thank you so much. Request you all to go forward. Yes.